Good morning. Uh, what is CBI, Central Bureau of Investigation? What was the history of Central Bureau of Investigation? What was the name earlier before Central Bureau of Investigation? It was under Delhi Police Special Police Establishment Act 1946. Initially, it was for the uh, safety of the capital of Delhi by foreign sources and to have a check over the government servant, the act was enacted. I would like to discuss about Kanwal Tanuj versus State of Bihar 2020 Supreme Court 2020 because you kindly see the history of the case, how the public money was siphoned. A person was not at all a jamindar, do not own a land, dealt as a jamindar, and there was certificate was given as if he is owner of the land. Then near about multi crores were transferred into his name, 2 crore 7 lakh 84,000 to Gopal Prasad Singh. This was at the time of Bharatiya Rail Bijli Company Limited to acquire the land and for the purpose of power plant, Bihar. This was challenged by the deceased, stating that since he was at Bihar, the Delhi Special Police Establishment, since not obtained sanction from the state government, they do not have power to investigate. This was deeply discussed by the Supreme Court at various paragraphs, particularly the essential provisions of Delhi Special Police Establishment Act. They have discussed about that. Entry 2, List 2 of Schedule 7 of the Constitution. Policy is a state subject. Thereafter, they have discussed the democratic rights, West Bengal, AR 2010 SC 1476. Then they say why the special police force was established to exercise all the power, duties, privileges, liability throughout the Union territory in relation to the investigation of specified offences and which police officers of that unit have in connection with the investigation of the offences committed therein. Then they have discussed about Section 5, the extension of powers and jurisdiction of special police establishment to other cases. Then Section 6 says consent of state government to exercise power and jurisdiction. It should be obtained. And a power by M. Balakrishna Reddy, AR 2008 SC 1754 was also discussed, wherein how Section 3, 5, 6 of the said Act could be implemented. Finally, after dealing with deeply, they said since the main headquarters of the Bharatiya Rail Bijli Company was situated at New Delhi, if offences are committed under Union territory, there is no need to get sanction even from the administrative head of that particular Union territory. Therefore, because one of the accused resides at Bihar, there need not be any pre-accord permission from that particular state. Therefore, they have go with the finding and judgment of the uh, State High Court, and the SLP was dismissed. Uh, Lack of jurisdiction may not be a ground to quash the FIR. That was the ratio. Allegation against IAS officer regarding facilitating main accused in commission of crime, defrauding Government of India and siphoning funds. Offence committed outside of state of Bihar. Since state police has no jurisdiction to investigate such offence, seeking consent of state to investigate does not arise. That was the ratio. So, though this may help you in understanding the Special Police Establishment Act, of course, being an advocate, you should have knowledge about all, because normally what happens for every case pertaining to sensitive matters and advocates' indulgence, the MLA's indulgence, they immediately rush to the court stating that we want CBI inquiry. Even for small assault cases also, sometimes the people may rush to the court seeking for investigation by special CBI. This term CBI is one of the extended police department. Apart from that CBI, so many NABs are there. Then national security forces, so many other investigating agencies, economic wings, DRA wing, income tax wing, all are under the central government control. So kindly go through the judgment. Best wishes.